this about? Trying to land your first client? Now, a lot of people have a lot of fear around landing their first client, and it's pretty much the number one thing you need to focus your time on if you don't have a client yet. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you the exact way to land your first client so you can go and start making sales as soon as possible. Now, the first thing is an overview of what we're doing here. Now, there are really only 5 steps to this. We need to first clearly define what you're going to be selling. We need to figure out the prices and deliverables of that. Then you need to get a qualified list to contact to start offering your services to. Then we need to zone in on the actual outreach method and how to prospect properly. And then we're gonna go into closing and onboarding clients. Now, first things first, the easiest way to go ahead and start selling Go High Level is to build mobile optimized websites or smart websites. And what this website would look like is something on the right here that I have. Now, I've turned this into a GIF just so you can send it via email or text messages very quickly, but this is a website that I finished for one of my clients. The greatest thing about selling a mobile optimized website is they're super easy to build on Go High Level. It's one of the first things you learn when you start learning the platform. You can build websites from templates, you can get snapshots from inside of my community, you can get pre-built websites and automations in there as well, or you can go ahead and build it out yourself. And they're super simple to start. I have other videos going over exactly how to build these out step by step if you're interested in that on my channel. Now, the key benefits of this website for a client is fast delivery. You get them ready in about 5 to 6 days. It's fully responsive, so it's flawless on phones, tablets, desktops. And the key thing here is that it's lead generating. So it's built to attract and convert visitors. As you can see on the right here, it's gonna have call to actions, get a free quote, click here. It's gonna say book now, get a free estimate. Whatever your call to action is, we are grabbing information from somebody that's on the website or curious for what the service is. And clients love this because it's more leads, more sales, and the website designed turns the visitors into customers. A lot of my other videos go over how terrible websites look and how low the bar is set. And there is a huge gap in the market for better functioning websites, better looking, better optimized AI chatbots on there, grabbing information, helping convert more actual traffic into sales for your client. Now, what we offer is a hands-off solution. This is hassle-free. This is called a software with a service. What we're offering them is an actual service. We're giving them the website, we're hosting it for them, we can update it for them, and that lets the business owner focus on their core operations. Now, pricing and deliverables is a big one as well. The easiest way to start this is just do a very generic $97 a month for hosting, support, and maintenance. This keeps their website live. This allows you to come in and change anything. Let's say they change their phone number, they change their address, they add some staff, they have a new offer they want to run. You can jump in here and provide that support to them by charging them $97 a month. Now, for the actual pricing of the funnel that you're building for them, I would start with $300 to $500, depending on how big the website is. Most of these websites that we build inside this community, they are very simple one-page landing pages, and they are very easy to get going. It doesn't require a ton of setup on our end, but you do have to be a little tech savvy with Go High Level, which we'll talk about a little bit later. Now, what's included with this, and something to talk about as you're doing a demo call with a potential client, is that the custom domain integration will be done by you. It's very simple to get them hooked up to their website. You're gonna make sure that it's SEO ready, that it's gonna increase Google visibility. You're gonna mention that you have ongoing support for them and any updates, so then they can just reach out to you via email or phone and let you know, hey, I wanna change this offer. I have some new images for before and after pictures, etc., etc. And another thing is we have the analytics built into Go High Level. So we can see how many people are coming to their website, how many people are clicking through to their call to action, how many people are filling out their forms, and we'll be able to provide that to them if they request it. Now, in order to build your prospect list to call these companies, you need to identify a few things. The number one thing is, if we're gonna sell websites, we need to find companies that don't have websites. So how we do that is you can go onto Google Maps, and I've shown this in a few of my other videos, where inside of Google Maps, you'll see here that these companies right here don't have websites. As we can see, there's a website icon attached to this Google My Business page, and when we click it, it shows the website. But these Village Plumbing, Gordon's Plumbing don't have websites. And if we keep scrolling, we'll see more. Here's another one, All Star Plumbing. Here's another one, Capital Plumbing. Now you can just literally call these people because you have their phone number right here and offer them a website. Now get on a demo call with them, say you built them a beautiful website, and go ahead and show off one of the templates that you can get inside my community. And you can join my community by clicking the link down below. Now, a lot of companies have outdated websites. These are companies with slow, outdated, non-mobile friendly websites, and they're everywhere. I literally have a whole series on my YouTube channel going over these terrible websites. I actually have an hour-long video ripping apart about 50 to 100 different websites live, showing you exactly what's wrong with them and how they could improve their website. This is literally a blueprint that you can take my notes from a certain website and go apply this to an actual client that has a bad website. It'll make you sound a lot more professional if you know how the website needs to flow to attract and convert customers. For example, here's one I went over in one of my recent videos, Bull City Plumbing and Heating. There's a lot of things wrong with this website. Let's just be honest here. The Contact Us button is all the way on the left side. It doesn't really even look mobile optimized. We can check that by pressing F12, and it's not, because this is what it would look like on a phone. When you click the contact button, it takes a while to load, which is weird. They have way too many form fills here. How can I help you? You don't need that. So take that out. You only need their name, phone number, and email. And another thing was, this was their actual landing page here, where I have to click an enter button just to get into their website. So that's 1 click, 2 click, and then I start filling this out. Now, a good optimized website would have this form fill either right there on the front page, on their landing page, because you want to try to capture as much traffic as you can to convert them into customers. Here's another one that's just terrible. I went over this before, but as you can see, just needs a lot of work. Before and after pictures are great, don't get me wrong. I would have them on every website, especially in the home service niche. But as you can see, everything is just misaligned. The text is too small. I would go with a bold here. There's no color in the back. Their logo is tiny. Let's see what their Book Now page. Book Now brings you to how will you open this? So showing that it's an actual email and not an actual form fill means that they don't even have anything connected on the back of their website. Now, if you guys want to check me funnel hacking these websites live, you can go ahead and click my other video up here and check that out. So now that we've gone over that there are a ton of outdated websites, another thing to keep an eye on is the actual reviews and ratings, because what you'll see is businesses with poor online presence may have good offline reputation. So some people may be killing it in the field, but they just don't have the actual reviews to back that up online. And another way that we can help them with that is we can actually help them get higher reviews, or maybe set up an automation to automatically capture reviews and post them on their website. And the best way to do this is setting up an email blast that goes out after they have confirmed a good experience with a customer. Then it sends them a SMS text or email to leave a 5-star review. Now, there are a few niches for quick results here that I like to go over because these are prime to be picked. Landscaping and lawn care. I go over a ton of these websites. They are horrible. Almost the whole entire niche is just terrible. And it's really easy to get in touch with the business owner because he's usually the one answering the phones. These are small operations, and it's very simple to get in touch with the business owner here. Now, home services, roofing, HVAC, plumbing, these are great as well. Restaurants and cafes, a little more niche, but definitely worth looking into. Now, local fitness studios, a lot of local gyms are just run by a few people. Super simple to go in there and ask them what their marketing looks like and if you can help them. Now, the initial outreach strategy that we go with inside of the community is easy ways to connect. We're gonna do cold calling as our number one. Cold email is pretty good. There's gonna be Facebook groups as well, where you can find local chamber of commerce or local businesses inside of Facebook groups. And when you go into these small communities, you can say what you're doing and see if anybody needs a website. You'll also see a lot of startups at that as well, and that really helps get the ball rolling with a lot of these new companies that may not have their marketing figured out yet. And that's where we can come in and leverage that. Now, direct messages, super simple. You can go ahead and use Facebook, Instagram. You find a company that doesn't have a website, you can go ahead and contact them. Now, effective messaging tips, be concise, clearly state the value that you're offering. You need to spark interest. You need to highlight the outcomes, okay? You want to say more leads and sales. You don't want to just say, we can get you more leads. A business owner hears the actual outcome. They are outcome driven. They want the sales. You may tell them, oh, we can drive all this traffic to your website. That doesn't mean anything unless they're actually converting them and they have a proper machine running to convert them. Now, when you're on a cold call with these business owners, you want to make sure to have a clear call to action. Offer a quick consultation and a free demo call. You can demo one of these templates from Go High Level or from the ones I provide in my school community, and you can get the ball rolling by showing them something up front that you already have completed. The next step is scheduling the actual discovery call. And this is huge because this is where you're gonna show off what you're providing for them. Now, you can create calendar links inside of Go High Level and have a quick link to send them to have them hop on a Zoom call. I would get their phone number and go ahead and just text that over to them, and then you can go ahead and meet them on this demo call. Now, if you want, you can get fancy and do follow-up and send automated reminders via email or SMS. You want to make sure that you restrain this to about 15 to 20 minutes. Nobody wants to sit on a call for an hour and then have the person leave afterwards, or they're not interested. So just respect everybody's time on this meeting. Now, the goals of the discovery call is to understand their needs. Maybe they're getting a lot of traffic, but they're not capturing any of these leads. And once you clearly identify these pain points, you can go ahead and be a surgeon on providing exactly what they need. And you can do this using Go High Level because of the tons and tons of tools that it has. Now, showcasing the value. You want to briefly demonstrate exactly what you're offering them and show them something tangible that they can take away from the call. And the last one to focus on is always conclude in a call to action. Now, I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Now, if you guys want to accelerate your success and sell websites and marketing services to local businesses, just like I do in my business, you can join my school community down below. We have proven scripts that work. We have ready-to-use templates built by me and my team. We have real-life examples of client success. I offer step-by-step training, all for free inside of my community. And I even offer direct support through WhatsApp if you run into anything along the way. So go ahead and click that link down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.